Okay, so day 2 here in London. So it's a little after 10:30 right now. Very nice out right now. May get some rain later on today, but it's been very nice so far. But see the changing. We're gonna go see the changing of the guards.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the changing of the guards
and
try to find our passes, get our passes.
Hopefully, finding our 2-day London passes isn't as complicated as it was in Paris. Okay, so we are here at the changing of the guard. It is absolutely insane. Absolutely crazy. It's really cool, though.
This is just every morning.
I know. Just packed to capacity. There's thousands of people here at Buckingham Palace. So hopefully we can get a good view. It's going to be hard, but we'll see.
Vale, ¿los ves ya los capirotes? No. Ahora sí. Sí,
Once we were done with the changing of the guards, we got our 2-day passes and visited the National Gallery. Unfortunately, I didn't take any pictures or videos because I was really into the moment. I did, however, capture some footage of interesting characters outside of the museum, such as this talented dude. We are at the very top of the London Eye. We are at the highest point, I believe, in all of London.
Yeah, I think it's the highest point.
But yep, we're at the top. Here's the next one. Hello, London.
There's the garden. There's the garden, the wall.
Oh, yeah. So we saw London from a bike tour and on a tour from the London Eye. However, that wasn't enough for us, and we soon hopped on a boat. Okie doke, so we are about to head on a boat cruise. Well, boat cruise, or maybe just a boat. River cruise. And we're going to tour the city.
Thames River.
Thames River. It should be pretty cool. See some places. We actually have a while. We still have about a half hour before we board our boat. or before our boat takes off. I'll probably board in about 15, 20 minutes, something like that. But
Shows up, yeah.
but yeah, it should be a lot of fun, and hopefully we get some good shots around here. We are about to walk onto Tower Bridge.
Yeah, it's a Tower Bridge, not the London Bridge. The London Bridge is just cool. But here we are. We're about to do it.
And
there it
should be
is. Start to
pretty
see.
cool.
The next day.
Last day of the trip.
Yes.
Very sad,
It's sad.
but we've had a lot of fun, and
Yeah. We're still gonna have a lot of fun today.
yeah, we got up. This is the latest we've ever gotten up to start a day, though. So
Yeah, I don't know.
yeah, we were just
Just
lazy,
tired.
I guess, to get out of bed. But we're gonna try and bike around the city a little bit today, and hopefully visit the Tower of London.
Yep.
So we're biking here in London. It's absolutely terrifying.
So yeah, it's our last day and we're biking. Trying attempting to bike in London.
It's pretty.
Scary.
It's very scary. We're from the U.S., so we have.
So we'll also drive on the left side of the road.
Yeah, so it's totally different than riding bikes in the U.S., but we're gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to get used to it. So we eventually calmed our nerves and took it very slowly until we reached Hyde Park. And it was a gorgeous day, so the two of us kicked back and relaxed for a bit.
London. It's a big conservation site. Lots of pigeons.
Once we left Hyde Park, we went back to Westminster Abbey and soaked up its mystique. We're at dinner right now. It's our last dinner here in Europe for the trip. You can see she's very sad. She's very sad. But so we're trying to think of something to do to wrap up the trip. And most likely we're going to be going to a bar to celebrate. And what? I can't hear you. I know. I don't sound so happy. Well, I know where this is gonna go.
Hold it.
All right. Well, there's a first for everything.
He's taking a shot. Give your face. Come on.
I know. I'm putting this stuff here. Give me 5 seconds. Hold on. Take off my sweater.
Take your sweater off. I'm serious. Serious business.
Yeah. She's getting a kick out of this. All right. Here's to Here's to the trip. Now it tastes like chocolate.
I told you it tastes like chocolate.
That wasn't that bad.
I wouldn't say it was bad. Alright. I would say it's like climactic.
Yeah.
That was good.
That's quick.
Yeah.
I'm glad that was it.
I told you it tastes like
Alright, so we are back in our hotel.
Yes.
And that about wraps up the trip. And we're just going to relax for the rest of the night and pack up. And then we leave tomorrow afternoon back to the U.S. Jacob, Andrews, thank you guys again for giving us this opportunity. We really appreciate it. It means the world to both of us, and we'll always be grateful for it, no matter what. So thank you guys, and yep, take care.